Reggie Lancaster.
Reggie John.
Reggie John Lancaster.
Reggie, you'll be the one getting in trouble for flipping that chair. It's cold, isn't it? No.
Yes.
I'm cooking. It's cold, isn't it?
I'm making a house under you. Do you know what it was?
Well, I'll fart on the chair then.
Yes, I'm cooking.
Just don't get in bed.
Yes, I'm about to. What? I got